everyone, this is शीतल बाकरे, स्टॉक ब्रोकर एंड न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट। आज मैं ज्यादा तारीफ नहीं करूंगी बिकॉज तारीफ मतलब कम पड़ेगी, ऐसे लोग कभी कभार मिल जाते हैं। एंड वन ऑफ द डॉक्टर प्रवीण सर विद मी। यस डॉक्टर प्रवीण सर, आप आपके बारे में बताइए। पहले तो आप मतलब लाइक किस तरीके से सभी लोगों की एज पर डॉक्टर आप हेल्प करते हो।
Good morning, Sheetal madam. It's a pleasure to talk to you and to meet you. And it's been a very nice experience from the time that I have met you. And I have learned a lot from you. So first of all, I have to thank you for uh, teaching a lot of things in the market, in life, and generally about everything. Uh, to say something about myself, well, I am a person born, brought up, baked, and bred in Pune. I'm a pathologist by profession, but at the same time also an entrepreneur because I have got this business blood boiling in me. So it doesn't let me sit quiet, and I venture out into various fields, medical as well as non-medical. I have been a pathologist for the last 30 plus years. I have worked in India and abroad in government and private setups. I have managed labs from the size of 5 employees to 500 employees. And presently, I am now self-employed, gainfully employed, managing my own business of distributorship of medical products. I have quite a what will you say, deep interest in the stock markets, and also I am interested in numerology, and that is actually how I met Sheetal madam. I initially took her consultation because I, being interested in numerology, wanted to learn numerology also, as well as wanted to know what numerology holds for me. And who better than Sheetal madam, who was already in the news and who had come through a reference of one of my common friends. And so I approached her, and she gave me a very good reading, which has really helped me. And I've been following uh, almost all of her advices, if not all, but definitely the important ones. And I have definitely seen a very good positive change. I myself am a very optimistic, positive, and perseverant person uh, with a lot of patience as well. So all these together, along with Sheetal madam's reading and the chart that she prepared for me, has really helped me from uh, like you say, rising from the ashes, because my story is something very unique. I have worked in corporate sector, I have worked in private sector, and my experience over the last 7 years has been very different. And it's like a phoenix rising from the ashes. That is how it is going on just now. I'm still not completely risen, but I'm definitely on the path. And Sheetal madam's guidance has definitely helped me in pulling myself together, in looking at life from a very different angle and perspective, changing my thoughts, my attitude towards others, bringing in a sense of calmness into me. All these things are definitely the gift of Sheetal madam's numerology chart. And then, of course, I attended her stock market classes. I've not been able to follow everything that she has taught, but yes, at least on paper, I'm following all the rules, and I'm seeing that I can definitely make some handsome profits. So all in all, it has been a fantastic journey. I always feel like attending her classes again, to tell you the very truth, because every time I feel that no, I have not learned enough from her. She has got so much knowledge and such vast experience that when I see her videos, I feel no, this what I did on one day for 3 hours is nothing. It should actually be 3 hours every day, and that is what will really give me some insight into the workings of the stock market, how to look at stocks, how to identify the right ones, how to keep away from the wrong ones, all this. So this is what I have to say about her. She is a fantastic person. She's very helpful, of course, very sweet, and by nature, and she explains everything so lucidly that you really don't have any queries left at the end of the day. But then again, you still feel that no, I still want to learn something more from her. And yes, I'm definitely going to join her class someday or the other again, and for a longer period of time than just a single day session. Thank you so much, Sheetal ma'am.
थैंक यू सो मच सर। आपको अगर रेफर करना है शीतल शेयर क्लासेस या फिर शीतल बाकरे को, तो आप क्यों करोगे? जैसे आपने अभी काफी सारी चीजें तो वैसे भी बता ही दी है, बट एनी सजेशन फ्रॉम यू? जैसे अभी आपने बोला कि एक दिन का क्लास आपके लिए सफिशिएंट नहीं था, क्योंकि जब हम लोग मिले थे तो हम लोग पूना में एक दिन की क्लास के सेशन आपने अटेंड की थी। आप आज दिन की ऑनलाइन सेशन रिपीटली अटेंड कर सकते हो अभी भी। सो एनी मोर सजेशंस, और कुछ आप मुझे सजेस्ट करना चाहोगे जो मेरे क्लासेस में या फिर न्यूमरोलॉजी के काउंसलिंग में मैं ऐड करूँ? क्योंकि आपके फीडबैक,
So
आपके क्वेश्चन।
as far as the classes go, I always wonder whether it would be, of course, now with this lockdown and all, we cannot actually sit all of us together in one place and look at what is happening in the market. But if you do something for the students on a weekly, on a daily market working day, so like मंडे टू फ्राइडे 5 days का कोर्स करोगे, और 5 days में आप अगर टर्मिनल पे, लाइव टर्मिनल पे अगर अगर आप दिखा सकते हो कि देखो अभी ये स्टॉक है, ये आपने कैसे आइडेंटिफाई किया, फिर इस पे आप ट्रेड कैसे कर रहे वाले हो, तो अभी एवरीबडी डजंट हैव दैट टर्मिनल, नो, सो वी कांट सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, वी विल ओनली कम टू नो वंस द ट्रेड टेक्स प्लेस, एंड देन यू विल से कि आज ये 8:17 को 9:15 आई एंटर्ड इनटू दिस, 9:30 आई वेंट आउट एंड आई मेड अ प्रॉफिट एट सो मच। तो ये जो है कि हाउ डिड यू एंटर एट 9:15, व्हाई डिड यू आइडेंटिफाई दैट स्टॉक, व्हाट वर द पैरामीटर्स? आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट you will not disclose everything because finally that is your profession and you are that is your business, so definitely not, but just a few pointers to say that okay, these are the pointers on the basis of which I identified this particular stock. Now today I'm going to trade in this stock, but that is okay, and just then show on the live screen आपने क्या लॉट खरीदी, क्या कैश खरीदी, क्या किया, और जब प्रॉफिट बुक करते हो तो इंट्राडे हो गया या शॉर्ट टर्म है, जो भी है। सो दिस इज वन थिंग व्हिच विल, आई थिंक इट विल हेल्प द स्टूडेंट्स अ लॉट।
डेफिनेटली सर, डेफिनेटली। एक्चुअली जो अभी 5 days के सेशंस ऑनलाइन चल रहे हैं ना, तो मंडे ट्यूसडे फ्राइडे, सॉरी मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे 3 दिन थ्योरी होती है 2 2 hours, एंड थर्सडे फ्राइडे लाइव मार्केट में प्रैक्टिकल्स होते हैं जो मैं लाइव ही
ओके
सिखाती हूँ। तो आप वो
ओके
सेशन भी
ओके,
अटेंड कर ही सकते हो। एक
अटेंड
बार आप
करेंगे,
कर ही
हाँ
लीजिए,
हाँ।
कर सकते हो नहीं, एक बार आप कर ही लीजिए, तो जो भी डाउट्स है वो एक बार आपके वापस क्लियर ही हो जाएंगे। एंड यस, अबाउट दिस सिचुएशन, हम लोग 2 साल से ये सिचुएशन हैंडल कर रहे हैं, तो इसमें
हम्म
आप क्या मतलब, लाइक योर द, आपने जैसे बोला कि योर मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर ऑल्सो, मैं काफी सारी चीजें आपसे हमेशा सीखती हूँ। तो इन दिस
हम्म।
सिचुएशन आप हम सबके लिए क्या बताना चाहोगे? मतलब लाइक यू आर द डॉक्टर, तो किस तरीके से केयर करनी चाहिए, कितने पैसे कमाने जरूरी है, उसके साथ में क्या सच में लक भी जरूरी होता है?
Well, yes, I always believe that hard work definitely pays, but along with that, a luck factor is always there. It's not only hard work, and not only hard work, but even smart work. So you have to work hard, you have to work smart with a bit of luck on your side. And most important in this period is to take care of yourself, be safe, follow the instructions that we are being given. Use your mask, sanitize. These are things which are being told. But more than anything else, improve your immunity, because at the end of the day, the individual's immunity is what matters. The vaccine will do its work of reducing the effect of the virus, but it is not going to keep you away from the virus, right? So for you to keep yourselves away from the virus to the maximum extent possible, you have to follow all the instructions that are being told. Do not take things lightly. When they say use a mask, use a mask. If they say if they are advising you to use double mask, use double mask. So there are some research and studies that are going on, because of which these advisory boards are giving you all the advice. So it needs to be followed because it's coming from the experts. And don't follow each and every treatment that comes your way. Steam inhalation karo, ye kada bolo, ye karo, wo karo. All that you keep on doing, it might hamper your immunity rather than boosting it up. So you have to be selective in what you really want to do. You have to understand your body yourself. Nobody else will understand your body better than you yourself. These are the small little things that have to be followed, and keep working. There's nothing like work. Work is prayer. Enjoy every day as it comes. look at all the things that happen in a very positive spirit. See how it has changed the entire world. So today I will
सबसे बेस्ट थिंग होता है कि कुछ नहीं होगा, बस ठीक हो जाएगा। ये मंत्रा मैंने सीखा है कि ऑल इज वेल, मतलब लाइक वो बहुत जरूरी लगा मुझे कि ऑल इज वेल,
very
डरिए
true,
मत, सब ठीक होगा। लाइक ऐसे ही
very true,
सबको
very true.
बोलना पड़ा है मुझे।
Correct, correct. That's very true. You have to keep a positive attitude to tide over this period of time.
तो थैंक यू सो मच सर, आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा। और यस, जल्दी पुणे आके सब लोग मिलते हैं सुन। और आप भी नेक्स्ट बार ज्वाइन कर सकते हो बिल्कुल। और
Sure, sure,
जो भी डाउट्स
definitely.
है आपके लाइव मार्केट में क्लियर हो जाएंगे। तो थैंक यू।
Great. Thank you so much. Thank you.